Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, once again you're welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. Please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on how to make money on Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you a new platform. Actually, it's an old platform. It's an old platform where you can get yourself some free cryptocurrencies like TRX, Shiba, BNB, Bitcoin, and other cryptos. So, guys, without much further ado, let's jump onto the platform right now. So, it's called Aribo.net. Aribo.net. So, over here, guys, as you can see, my referrals. These are all my referrals over here. So first of all, if you want to claim or if you want to receive some coins, then you need to create a faucet pay account before you can actually jump onto this site, because they will require you to provide your faucet pay email account. So to register a new account with them, kindly use my referral link in the description box. When you use it to register a new account, just use your faucet pay email. That's all you basically need to do. So over here, guys, if you want to claim free coins, just click on the faucet over here. So when you click on the faucet, then we select TRX. So when we select TRX, they are saying that we should wait for 1 minute 15 seconds right now. So let's select other coins. We'll go in for other coins. So let's claim Theta. So they say we should wait. So guys, this platform is actually a really good platform over here. As you can see, I just claimed this amount of TRX. That is 0.00398724. So I'll claim another one right now. So over here, I'll just have to do this confirmation by matching all these words correctly. So the first one is pilot, the second one is teacher, third one is florist, dentist. Then we click on the anti-boat track test, then verify. Okay, over here click on verify. So as you can see from here, we will receive another payment. So pending withdrawal. Just 5 minutes ago. We need to claim again. Over here we select police, pilot, teacher, dentist. So then we click on verify. Very simple. We just claim this amount of USDT just now. We just claim this amount of USDT. So to confirm that, we will need to see over here. So I just claimed 0.00398 TRX and another one 0.00025 USDT. So let me check my Faucet Pay account. So this is Faucet Pay. I'll log in right now. So I'll just verify right now. So guys, this is my account over here. So as you can see, this is my TRX balance. This is my TRX balance. This is my Theta balance. Okay. So over here, guys, over here you see the amount that I've received. So I've claimed so many coins over here: Theta, TRS, Byte, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum. So guys, before you can actually do this particular task to earn money, you need to create this Faucet Pay account. You need to create this Faucet Pay account so that you guys can actually mine yourself some free and more. So boom guys, as you can see, this is the 0.00025 and this is the TRX just today. So guys, that is the withdrawal proof. Once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates on how to make money on Crypto Denzel TV.